an interactive story and educational read along.
Tidy Up Toys. Story by Danielle Monique. Tidy Up Toys.
Block. Can you say block? Can you find the blocks?
Tidy up the blocks one by one.
Doll. Let's say doll. Where are the dolls?
Tidy up the dolls, all in a row.
Car. Can you say car? Where is the car? How many are there?
Tidy up the cars. Zoom, zoom away.
Puzzle. Let's say puzzle. Where are the puzzle pieces?
Tidy up the puzzles, piece by piece.
Crayon. Let's say it together. Crayon. What color crayon do you see?
Tidy up the crayons, bold and bright.
Marker. Can you say that with me? Marker. Where are the markers?
Tidy up the markers, lids on tight.
Waste basket. Again, waste basket. Where is the waste basket?
Tidy up waste basket, time to fill.
Paper. Let's say that together. Paper. Where does the paper go?
Tidy up papers, away goes the trash.
Paintbrush. Can you say that with me? Paintbrush. Where is the paintbrush?
Tidy up paintbrushes, rinse and dry.
Art. Let's say that together. Art. Where is it?
Tidy up the art, hang it high.
Guitar. Let's say it together. Guitar. Do you want to play the guitar?
Tidy up the guitar, tucked away quietly.
Bat and ball. Can you say that with me? Bat and ball. Where are they?
Tidy up bat and ball, have a home run.
Stuffed animal. Let's say it together. Stuffed animal. How many are there?
Tidy up, stuffy friends, sit close together.
Truck. Can you say that with me? Truck. What color is the truck?
Tidy up, truck, chug, chug, you go.
Train. Let's say it together. Train. What sound does a train make?
Tidy up, little train. Choo choo home.
Piggy bank. Let's say it together. Piggy bank. Ah, what goes inside a piggy bank?
Tidy up, piggy bank. Collect every coin.
Toy box. Can you say that with me? Toy box. What's inside the toy box?
Tidy up the toy box. Cozy and full.
Headphones. Let's say that together. Headphones.
Tidy up the headphones. Loop the cord around.
Book. Can you say that with me? Book. How many books do you see?
Tidy up the books. Stacked all together.
Table. Let's say that together. Table. What's on the table?
Tidy up the table. Tall and strong.
Cubby. Can you say that with me? Cubby. What's inside the cubby?
Tidy up, cubby. Clear all the space. Tidy up, toys. Now the room is clean.
Great work tidying up. Wow, that's a tidy room. You learned many new words in this storybook. Let's review them together. Can you say them with me? Block, doll, car, puzzle, crayon, marker, waste basket, paper, paintbrush, art, guitar, ball, bat, stuffed animal, truck, train, piggy bank, toy box, headphones, book, table, cubby.
If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button below and share it with all your family friends with little ones. Hit the subscribe button for more Storytime read-alongs. See you soon!
Thanks for reading!